Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. The Gospel speaks about the birth of Saint John the Baptist. And this is a wonderful moment for Elizabeth and Zechariah because Zechariah and Elizabeth were old, matanda na po sila. At si Elizabeth ay baog, barren, hindi makakapanganak. And suddenly, biglang naglihi si Elizabeth. Kaya, ang ipinangalan sa anak nila ay Juan, John, na ang ibig sabihin, regalo ng Diyos. Kaya napakaganda po ang message na ito dahil ipinapakita mulit-muli sa atin that a child is a gift of God. Tayo pong lahat ay regalo ng Diyos sa mga magulang. In other words, if we are the gift of God, God owns us. Hindi po tayo pag-aari ng mga magulang natin. We are given to our parents to be taken care of. Parents are mere stewards. They are merely caretakers of this gift. In other words, they are privileged. We are the privilege of our parents. It doesn't mean that they own us, that they don't have a right over us. Kaya sana po ito'y bigyan po natin ng emphasis dahil sa panahon na ito, akala ng mga magulang, they have rights over their children. Parents do not own their children. They are not objects that could be property, possessions. Only God. So ito po'y napakalaking idea ng ating pananampalataya na sana'y bigyan po ng emphasis because nowadays talaga namang naaabuso na po ito. Secondly, ang mga bata po ay nagiging object. Pagka ang mga bata ay nagiging object, nagiging commodity, kaya naman po na ibebenta kung saan-saan, which should not be because that is against what we believe that each and every one of us are gifts by the Lord. So sa panahon na ito ay mulit-muli pong ipinapaalala sa atin ito upang ang mga magulang ay maging responsable sa mga anak. Because at the end of the day, pagkatapos po niyan ay meron po tayong tinatawag na accountability. We will be answerable to what we did to the children kung yan ba'y inalagaan. Alalahanin po natin na sa lahat po ng hayop, ang tao lamang po ang matagal mag-alaga ng mga anak. Yung mga hayop na aso, pusa, siguro by weeks, pwede na maging independent yung mga anak, maghanap ng sariling pagkain. Ang mga bata po, iinlagaan po yan ng mga 15 hanggang 18 years, minsan ay tumatagal pa because it involves a lot of nurturing, it involves a lot of moral discipline, it involves education, it involves po naturuan sila about spiritual life, belief in God. Napakarami po nating dapat gawin para sa isang bata ay maging anak ng Diyos. All of us are called to be children of God. Kaya napakalaking responsibilidad po ito. Hindi lamang po ng mga magulang, mga teachers, yung mga people who are in charge of children. Malaki pong responsibilities tayo meron and we will be answerable to it. So in this Mass, we would like to ask the good Lord to help us because we need the grace of God. It's not easy to take care of children. I know sa amin pong pamilya po ay 8 po kaming lalaki lahat at iginapang po kami ng mga magulang namin at nakapagtapos naman. At ito po ang aking paniniwala na katulad ni Elizabeth at Zechariah who were spiritual people, who were always praying to the Lord, prayerful people. They always believe that God will help him. At ako'y naniniwala po na ang Diyos ay tutulong. If God can take care of the birds in the skies, if God can take care of the animals and flowers in the fields, how much more yung mga anak niya. So sana po ay hindi maging dahilan ang economic reason. Kasi kadalasan po, it becomes a burden sa ngayon dahil sabi nila hindi mahirap na magkaroon ng anak, we cannot feed another mouth. If only we could also pray to the Lord to help in bringing up these children, it will always be possible. So this is always a call to all of us as Christians that people are gifts, and that we have to take each other responsibly to become children of our God.